So I'm a little curious. I've never seen these before, and I found this Pokemon card pack. I don't even know what kind of pack to call it at Walmart. Take a look. Different. There was two of them on the shelf, so I decided this would be the perfect time to pop one of these open and see what's inside. I don't even know what cards are in it. Curious to find out. Take a look. It says it's distributed by the Fairfield Company. That's the information we got. Let's see what cards are in here. It guarantees us a foil. I would die if we pulled something amazing. I'm not expecting anything, but, you know, you never know unless you try. We'll call it a mystery pack. There you go. Pokemon card mystery pack. How do you even unbox this? Well, it's sealed in there, alright. Comes with a code, too, apparently. Is there a shuffle that goes with this for 15 cards, or do we just flip it upside down? Okay, there's a code. What's the code from? XY Fates Collide, Sky Guardian. Interesting. Interesting. I'm shuffling. I don't even know why I'm shuffling. It's just a habit. Alright. Energy card. A Weedle. Come on now. Bug catcher. If you know where these are from, point it out to me. What sets are these from? Energy. Quick Ball, okay. Seems familiar. Giant Hearth. This is perfect because we started playing cards on Twitch with a Giant Hearth. Trolling. I laugh because Hearthstone, I should have known with being a Hearthstone player not to touch Pokemon cards. It would get like this eventually. Should have known. It's a sign I was meant to make some corny joke like that about Hearthstone in this video with two Giant Hearths. So this is just a bunch of energy cards. Like, look at this. Let me see this. Red energy. That's different. We're just going to open the other one. I mean, what's the point in keeping this sealed? Let's hope for the best, right? It was ridiculous. I'm not going to buy any more of these based on what I've seen so far. These are mostly energy cards. Worth a try, though. The look on my face says what I'm expecting already. So, prove me wrong. How did we even do this last time? I shuffle that. It was mostly energy cards, so it doesn't matter what energy cards on the bottom. Champion's Path code. Alright. Give me the Charizard and we'll talk. 4 shuffle it, why not? Green. Look at this crap. Okay. That's not bad. Not bad. So we have one card that we can at least put in the Mew binder. Interesting, alright. Foil trainer. I do not have this. Alright. Turbo patch. Second one's turning out better than I expected. Firo. Hop. Great ball. It's the same card. I thought for a minute it was a foil. I was like, oh shit. Alright. I did pick up some new cards. Ones I don't have that I'm going to be able to put into my binder. So, can't be terribly disappointed at this point. I mean, I guess for $8, this is what you get, really. Could be worse. Could be worse. Would I recommend buying these? That's what I'm trying to think right now. I don't know. If I see them around, and if it's the only thing you can get, I may give it a shot again. But overall, I like the regular hanger packs and the wax packs. Worth a try. 2 mystery Pokemon packs unboxed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about these mystery packs? Like and subscribe for more Pokemon card unboxings. Everyone, have a good day or night wherever you are. I'll see you in the next video. Later.